Afternoon, friends. Russell here, coming to you from the shop. On the docket this afternoon, we've got this 2007 Volkswagen GTI. Had some rough running, idling issues, ran codes on it, showed misfires, random misfires and misfires in cylinder 3. So plan of action I gave the customer was we're going to replace the spark plugs and the coil packs. I also stated that I thought it needed new motor mounts and a new torque strut. He's reluctantly decided not to do that part of the repair. So today, all we're going to do is spark plugs and coil packs. I'll move the camera, show the engine bay, and show the work we're doing. This isn't a hard job to do. If you're somewhat of a shade tree mechanic, you can do this job yourself. All right, to get access to the spark plugs on this engine, you've got to remove the air intake tube and disconnect it from the charge pipe for the turbocharger. Not a hard job to do, just a little bit time consuming. So first thing we got to do is take these two torque screws out down here, remove this clamp, and then disconnect the electrical connector here, pop it off from the charge tube, and the whole assembly will come out. And yes, there is a special tool for doing Volkswagen and Audi electrical connectors. Once the cover's out of the way, you can see the top of the wiring harness. And so normally there's two screws right here, and they're torque screws just like the ones we pulled off here that hold this harness in. So somebody's been in here before already. And it's just a matter of pulling the coils out. And a lot of times, when I run into these misfire problems, we'll just replace the plugs. This vehicle has almost 200,000 miles on it, and these are the original coils, so we're going to go ahead and replace the coils as well. That's the original spark plug. There we go. That's an original Volkswagen spark plug. This thing should have been replaced at 60,000 miles. No wonder it's misfiring. Alright, brand new NGK plugs are installed. Now we just have to put the new coils in. And folks, if you've got a Volkswagen, an Audi, or a BMW, and you're having somebody else do work on it, insist that they use NGK spark plugs, and if you're doing coils, NGK coil packs. NGK is the OE manufacturer of spark plug for all three of those manufacturers. And the NGK coils, time and time again, have proved to be much more reliable than the OE Bosch or Delphi's or any of the other cheap Chinese aftermarkets. Wiring harness is seated well. All right, that's all there is to it. Installation of the panel, or the intake plenum, and the charge tube is reverse of the removal. So we'll fire it up here real quick and confirm that it works. Look at that, it runs nice and smooth. That's all there is to it. To do the spark plugs and coil packs in one of these Volkswagens, procedure is almost identical on the Audis with the same 4-cylinder. It's easy to do. You can do it at home. The only thing you'll have to do after you've done this is get a scan computer to clear the check engine light. That's all I've got left to do. Hook up the scan computer, clear the check engine light. Motor's running smooth. Customer will be happy. If you like this content, go ahead and hit like, hit subscribe, hit that bell icon for future notifications, and as always, more to follow.